So here our next exercise, first question. So please, if not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon right side. So first question, state which of the following sets are empty and which are not. So empty means that is a pi set. There is no, this one null set, no elements in that. That is like this. So the set of lines passing through the given point. So let's take this is the one point. The set of lines which will passing through this point. So how many lines? Infinite number of lines can be passed. So first one is non-empty set. Not empty set. Why? Because here infinite number of lines passing through the given point. Next one, second one, set of odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2 means that is even numbers. Even numbers. So in natural numbers, that odd numbers will not divisible. Odd numbers not divisible by 2. So for that we can take it. So 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the numbers which are divisible by 2. That are called the even numbers. But which are not divisible. So that is called odd numbers. For that, what you can say, for this, no elements in that. Not any number is not there. For that, it is empty sets. The next one. So let's take third one is, what is that? X, the set for all x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. So what you can write it here is x is a natural number. Let's type. So x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. So x is less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. X is greater than 5, 7 means what is that? 8, 9, 10 and so on like this. So x is a natural number less than 5 and greater than 7, which will not existed here. So why? Because less than 4. So 4 if you compare means 4 is not greater than 7. So here condition is contradiction. So for that what you have to write it here is, so this is also, there is no elements, common elements is not there. So these are all the elements x less than 5. These are all the elements x greater than 7. But here and compulsory, right? For that there is no common elements. This is also empty set. Next, our fourth one. So let's take our fourth one here as the set for all x such that x is a common point to any two parallel lines. So x is a common point. X is a common point to any two parallel lines. So for any two common parallel lines, is there any common point on this? For that, if you take this point and here, let's take here B, A, B, C, D. So there is no common point for the two parallel lines. So this is L and M. Let's take like that. So no common point. What you can write? No common point. No common point for parallel lines. For parallel lines, there is no common point for the parallel lines. So for the fourth also what you can write? This is empty set. Empty set. Then fifth one, set of even prime numbers. So set of even prime numbers, the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and on so on, like that we will get. So that telling that set of even prime number. So this is 2 is a even. So for that what you can write? This is there. That is, the set is not empty. For that it is not empty set. Not empty. So like this we need to think and we have to move on the solutions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take from the following sets are finite or infinite. Finite means, so in that, so finite sets they will have some number of elements. Limited elements will be there. Not like infinite. So finite number of elements. Infinite means uncountable elements. So uncountable elements. What you can write? Uncountable elements will be there in infinite sets. So first case, the set of months in a year. So set of months means how many months? First one. How many months will be there in the year? Set of months, that is Jan, February, March and so on up to December. So these are all finite. So how you can say here is only 12 months countable things is there. So for this it is finite set. Next, second one, 1 to 100. So 1 to 100 means this is also finite. Why? Because here are 100 elements only. So 100 elements, that is 100 numbers. So for this it is also finite set. So for this F. Then our third one is, what is that here is the set of prime numbers smaller than 99. So how we can write it here is, let's write 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 99. So up to 99 means it's based on around below 99 prime numbers. Below 99, it's around 97 like that. So it is also finite. Why? Because here only some number they are given, finite sets only. So for this also finite set. Next, our fourth one. Why? Because here limited, they are given already up to 99. We can count it. The fourth one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. So in that, how many are there? A, B, C, D up to Z. So 26 letters will be in alphabet, 26 letters. So this is also countable, for that it is finite. So fourth one is finite. Let's go and check with the fifth one. The fifth one is set of lines that can be drawn are parallel to the x-axis. Oh, fifth one, it is that. So what you can write? Let's write x and y. So this is the x-axis, this is y-axis. So what they are telling here is, we can draw the set of lines that can be drawn are parallel to x-axis. So how many lines you can write it like that parallel to x-axis? Infinite. So infinite sets you can draw like this parallel to x-axis. So for that it is infinite set, means uncountable lines you can draw. For that it is infinite set. So infinite set. Next, our sixth one, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. So how you can write 5, 10, 15 and so on. They are not given any condition below like that. So up to it will not end. So these are all uncountable multiples we will be there. So uncountable multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. So for this it is infinite set. Infinite set. Our last one, seventh one, the set of circles passing through the origin. So set of circles passing through the origin. So from origin means this is the point where 0, 0. So from passing through origin, how many? The circle, how many circles you can draw? So many circles like this. So it can infinite number of circles you can draw from the origin. So for this also infinite. So like this we need to find the finite sets and infinite sets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Try to share with your friends and family.